I and my husband basically started to plan a baby since 2014. We were married in 2012. Since 2014, we kept on trying with multiple assisted methods. None of them ultimately worked out. I was actually suffering from frequent miscarriages, the reasons of which were completely unknown to me, to any of the gynecologists that I met. And yes, I actually went through 3 to 4 miscarriages and went through a lot of different treatments. I attended the Fertility Boost program, which was conducted by Ms. Kapoor, and she was my coach. Whole experience with this program and with the coach was very different. So whenever I used to go and meet a gynecologist, I used to get something which was generalized, that आप ये करो शायद वो हो जाएगा. You know, they used to suggest me a lot of things which were very much generalized. It was not specific to my condition. So it was always a trial and error method. Whereas with this program and with Miss Achal, she was very, very specific, and she was very much sure that this program will work out. I did get good guidance on how I can improve the blood flow, how I can improve my egg quality. There are a lot of things that I actually started understanding once I did the relearning course. First was obviously the whole perspective to change in a person once we are looking forward to this natural way of conception. The mindset. Second is the lifestyle, which basically included diet, exercise, a lot of visualization, and also various ways in which I could detox my whole body. I also got to learn about specific yoga poses which would help me specifically in the direction of boosting my fertility. So yeah, these were the 4 learnings out of this Boost Fertility e-learning course. Started realizing that obviously first 15 days were challenging, but then after I started, I got to know that I am on the correct path because I was going through follicular monitoring. My readings got better. My readings in terms of the estrogen levels, the egg quality, which is again the indicator through estrogen levels, got better. So even my gynecologist was quite surprised during the initial days that it was really working out. Within a span of 4.5 months, I got the news that I was waiting for. Obviously, this was also accompanied with a good amount of weight loss. The glow that I was looking forward on my face, which definitely would not have come through any other method, because this was a natural way. I got that glow within 3 to 4 months. I got that energy. I got that motivation, and I don't know, no matter what, how much other people used to demotivate me being vegan all this while, I was always motivated because I knew this would work for my body, and it actually did. So I always remember one thing that Ms. Achal actually told me, trust your body, and I still did that.